So if you want to see how I achieve my everyday makeup routine 2020, then keep on watching. Let's go. Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And yes, we are back with another makeup tutorial, and this time we are catering to those ladies who are not really comfortable with blending eyeshadows and whatnot. And I still will be doing a little bit of highlighting and contouring here in this video, but basically putting more of the attention on the face and giving you something nice and soft. Usually I would go in with the cut creases and the different colors and blending this and that color, but no, we're gonna keep it kind of simple. Okay everybody, so we are back, and yes, I'm trying to push out this content because I really want to be able to get my craft out there. And I believe that if God has blessed you with a gift, you know, it's not for you to be sitting down on it. So girl, use your gifts. So doing makeup is one of them, and I created this platform about 4 years ago, and the growth has been stunning for a bit. I think I should have been further, but it's I'm not gonna lie, I have not been consistent on the channel, and I want to change that right now. So hence why you are getting videos on top of videos. I'm planning on doing a posting schedule. I'm thinking of on the days of Tuesdays and Fridays that you guys would get a makeup video besides the vlogs. So yeah, if you want to see more makeup tutorials, like, let me know what you want to see, and girl, we can work on that. So as you can see, jumping right into it, as you can see, I've already done my brows. I think doing the videos and editing them, you save a lot of time, because brows, you want to take your time in doing brows. And I will do a dedicated eyebrow video without foundation, shadows, just a video dedicated to how I really do my brows. You get a glimpse here and there, but through the editing process we kind of clip and cut. But yeah, dedicated video, I'm gonna try to work on that very soon. But like I said, my brows are already done. There will be basically no eyeshadow in this tutorial, so basically we're just dealing with the face. So my face is already washed. There is nothing on my face besides the product that is in the eyebrow area. So let's get into it. Oh, here's a tip. Even if you are an oily person, you still gotta moisturize. Still gotta hydrate your face, girl. I'm warming that up on my hand. I'm just gonna place this on all the areas without any added product. And I'm gonna rub this into the skin until I don't feel any more of the product on my face. So moving right along, you want to prime. If you want this to last all day, you're working 9 to 5, you really want your makeup to stay on all day. Okay, so now that our moisturizer is on, we're gonna be priming out, and I'm targeting the areas that I am most likely to be oily throughout the course of the day or night. Oh gosh, this smells good. It smells very good. So I'm just gonna pat that in. I love layering my primers to make sure that I have that added assurance, y'all. Okay, so now that that is done, now that we've gotten all moisturized and primed, and it's time for foundation. So for foundation today, we'll be going in with the MILANI Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And you guys know how I go, I love to pump. Even though this is every day, I still go for a full coverage look, especially because I do not color correct anymore. That's why I tend to stick to medium coverage to full coverage foundations. So I'm just gonna take this kabuki brush, and I'm not matching my foundation to my face because obviously my face is gonna be darker because it's more exposed to being in the sun. I'm matching this foundation to my next. If you're not comfortable with highlighting and contouring, you can always skip this step, but I do this, so there you have it. I kind of like my highlights this color. Yeah, so we're just going in with this concealer and we're just highlighting those areas that we want to just brighten up a bit. I don't know about you, but when I watch other YouTubers, I kind of like when they include all of this. So let me know if you're into that. I know some people like it and some people don't, but let me know if you're into that. Seeing every step. I think that's how we learn, right? That's how I learned. I loved to see step by step. So I'm taking my Sapphire Beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend into my skin. And as you can see, that covered a lot of surface area in no time. I usually would go in with a second concealer, but not when I'm doing a everyday makeup routine. No, because you also want it to be done quickly. I'd say if I'm not recording, it'll take me probably about 20 minutes to do this beat, because we're almost done, guys. Like, we're almost there. So now, to make sure that we do not have any lines of demarcation, you're gonna take your foundation brush with no added product onto it, and you're just gonna blend in between where the concealer and the foundation meet. Y'all, like, I seriously want to start playing Christmas carols. I want to see a Christmas tree. I want to see Christmas lights on the house. I am ready. I'm so ready for it. I'm so ready to cozy up with a cup of coffee and watch Christmas movies on Hallmark. Like, I am ready. Y'all ain't ready, eh? So going in with my favorite Luxie brush for contouring, I'll just be buffing this out. And this is just a light, subtle contour. That's what I love about it. And it blends out super easily. Like, I know some people would say, well, oh my gosh, this is too much work. Well, I guess, right? But for persons who love makeup, we wouldn't call it that. We love doing this. Like, okay, everybody, so we've already applied our foundation, we've already highlighted and highlighted and contoured, and now to set all of this good stuff, because even though the weather is changing out a bit, in the Bahamas, it is still super hot. It is still super hot, so we want to secure all of this. I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and blend out any creases, because as you can see, over the time that I was working, I started to crease, so we want to set all of this. So we're about to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm in the shade Medium Deep 30. We've already set the concealer with our Maybelline Fit Me, and now we want to set the overall face, and then I will go in with my powder contour. So I'm going to be going in with MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. So yeah, Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish, MAC. I'm gonna get my powder brush, the Morphe. I wasn't telling you all my brushes. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Morphe E51. So let's try fix. I don't know why that looks so crazy. All right, so let's try to fix that. That don't need to be looking crazy like that. All right, you getting it? It's blending out. It's blending, y'all. Yeah, so be on the lookout. I really want to stick to that kind of schedule. I really want to stick to the makeup video every Tuesday and Friday. I don't know what to do with my hair right now. Like, I'm kind of feeling weave now, but I still want to keep the shaved sides, but not too low like before. So let me know what you guys think about that. I think I should wear some Remy, some Brazilian. My favorite used to be, when I used to wear weave, I loved the Peruvian body wave. So I'm kind of thinking, okay, I'm feeling a little bit better because I was worried about this look going sideways very fast. So now that everywhere is set, I'm just gonna contour with my powder contour. Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Mahogany, and we are hitting pan because I love this so much. I really need to try something else, but I love this bronzer so much. So I'm just gonna take a brush to kind of contour the nose a little bit. Brush that up into the brow. And I'm sorry I did not tell you guys what I use for my brows, but I went in with the same product from the last video. I went in with the brow pomade in dark brown from Beauty by ZENE. I said ZENE, but the correct name is Beauty by ZENE. And I am loving this product. I am loving this a lot. I'm going in with the Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in Burnt. So I'm just taking the butt of my beauty blender and I'm pouncing in whatever residue is left on the face from the spray. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be going into the Becca Prosecco Pop highlighter. It's cracked, but I refuse to throw her away because she is beautiful. So I pulled this out because it's been a while since I used it. So taking my all over highlighter brush from, I don't know where it's from. So, oh yeah. It's starting to rain outside, y'all. We need the rain. We need the rain. So I'm just gonna take the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 4.5 and try to groom these brows back into place. And there you have it. So I'm thinking of just, there's not going to be any shadow, but I just want to be able to put something in the crease, and I'm just going to take that same bronzer. I'm just going to take the same bronzer and apply this into the crease just to add some definition there. You know, nothing crazy. When I was learning makeup, I always wanted to see whoever tutorials I was watching. I always wanted to see the winged liner in the tutorial, and most of the time they would not put the winged liner in. They'll cut that part out. I'm like, man, I wanted to see. Talking to you guys in the last video, and I was telling y'all that I'm not used to working with felt tip liners, and that's the truth. I love the NYC liquid liner, and that was like a fine brush that you could have just brushed on the I wanted to say eyeshadow just now. You could have just brushed on the liner. So I'm really just perfecting using, it's not hard, I guess laziness. I feel like I would work quicker with a liner with a brush. So I totally forgot to share with you guys the type of lashes that I was using in the last video. I actually, they're no name. I ordered them off Amazon, and I just use my Cardani lash glue. I love that lash glue. I've been using it for the past 2 years. So yeah, no name. These were pretty nice. I love how they looked on me, and I'm about to apply the same lashes. I just cleaned them off a bit. I will be going in with the Hank and Henry mascara, and I love this mascara. Why I love this mascara is because on one end it has a huge one, what I love to use for the top of my lashes, and then on the other end the smaller lashes. Like, how cool is that? So for lips, I'm gonna be lining with my MAC Night Moth. Like, I almost need a new one, but I'm taking that and I'm gonna line my lips. Lippy, I'll be using the All Day Lip Cream from ADHESIVE New York. I usually don't use lip creams like that. I'm more of a matte girl, but when I saw the color, I was like, I don't want nothing too bright. I don't want to really have like a light nudie lip. I want to switch it up, and I found this in my collection. I was like, you know what, this is what we're gonna use, and trust me, like, it's growing on me. Like, I love this lip combination. I'm a matte lipstick girl, so yes, sister, I'm loving this. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup routine 2020. It's been a minute since I've done one of these for you guys, but I'm loving it. It's nice and soft. I mean, this can even take you into the night. You can even switch up the lipstick if you want to, like, go in with a darker vampy lip, or just keep the lipstick as it is. Find you a mauve, because this is like more of a mauve pink color, and I am loving it. Like, yes, sister, I'm loving it. So that is it, guys. Like, I am so happy to be back and pumping out content for you guys, and keep your fingers crossed and pray my strength in the Lord that I can pump out those 2 videos per week for you guys. Tuesdays and Fridays, I want you all to turn on your notification bell. I want you to thumbs up these videos. It really helps to grow the channel, so don't watch and leave without thumbsing up. Please thumbs up the channel. Even so, share it. Like, get your girl out there, and let's continue to play in makeup. And yeah, so until the next video, my next video, I'm thinking of going full glam fall, so stay tuned for that. So stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.